Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, welcome to my channel. So guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can like and comment. You can also turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload beautiful tutorials like this. So guys, today we are going to learn how to cut and sew inner wear. You can wear it out on your sleeveless dress top if you don't want your arm to show, that is your shoulder, you don't want it to show. So guys, today I'm going to use this skin net, and it's nude color. You can also use the one that suits your skin type. And guys, if you're interested to know how to make this kind of style, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end, and let's get started now with our tutorial. So guys, I've folded the skin net into 4 pieces because we are cutting the front piece and the back piece together. Okay, so I'll start by taking the length of my skin net. I'm using 19 inch for the length. Okay, so the width is by 11 inch. All right, so I'm still trying to show you guys that I'm folding it into four. I folded it into 4 pieces. So guys, keep on watching to see the outcome of this tie. So the neckline is by 5 inch. All right, okay, so I'll mark 5 inch for my neckline. So the depth of my neck, I'm bringing it down by 2 inch. Okay, so I'll just give a curve for the neckline because it's a small round neck. Okay, so now is my shoulder. I'm going by 8 inch. All right, for my shoulder, I'm going by 8 inch. Okay, so I'll just draw a straight line. Okay, so that's for that. So I'll just give a mark for my armhole. So now is my bust. My bust is 38 inch. Okay, so I'll add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. All right, so now is my waistline. I'm going by 30 inch for my waistline. So this time I'm going to add 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. All right, so I'm using just 1 inch for my shoulder. So I'll now draw a line to connect the marks. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll connect all the marks together. You can see that the style is very simple. It's a very simple style for you to learn how to make. So this particular style that we are making, you can wear it out on your sleeveless dress or your sleeveless top if you don't want your hand to show, and it's very beautiful. Okay, so we are using this skin net. It has different color that will suit the color of your skin, so you need to look for the one that is going to suit your skin, and it's very affordable. You can get it from where they are selling tailoring material. It's very affordable also, guys. So after that, I'll show you guys how to cut the sleeve. So our next step is how to cut the sleeve. Okay, so I folded it into 2 pieces. I'm cutting the two sleeves together. So I'll go for my length, which is 17 inch, while the width is 6.5 inch. Okay, the armhole is 1.5 inch. Okay, all right, so I'll just curve it, the armhole. All right, so you can see how simple it is, which my round sleeve is 5 inch. All right, so I'll just connect all the marks together, then we are going to cut it out, then we are going to attach it also on the inner wear that we are making. Okay, so guys, don't forget to please click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe. You can like, comment, give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and learn from it. You can see that the style that we are making today is very simple to cut and sew, and you can wear it out on your sleeveless dress top if you don't want your body to expose, especially your hand. If you don't want it to expose, just make this kind of style and wear it on your sleeveless outfit and you are good to go. And the net that we are using is a skin net. It has different colors, so just pick the one that suits your color type, and the outfit is going to come out well. You can see I'm still trying to shape it out, so we are going to attach it to the main top. All right, So this is the main top. You can see how beautiful it is. Very simple to make. You can see how gorgeous it is. And once you wear it on your body, you see the fitness of the outfit that we are making. Like I said, you can wear it out on your sleeveless outfit and you are good to go, and it's very affordable. Alright, so we have come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and I hope you learn one or two things from today's tutorial. Okay, don't forget we made use of 1 yard of this skin net. It has different colors. This particular one is nude color and it's okay for my skin type, so you can also choose the one that will suit your skin type. Alright, so guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can like, comment, give it a thumbs up. Please turn on your notification bell so that you get notified. You'll be the first to see my tutorial. Please, to support this channel, please watch this particular tutorial to the end. Guys, thank you so much for watching.